this portion of Route 66 is brought to you by Chevrolet in behalf of your local authorized Chevrolet dealer, who offers 31 different Chevys and Corvairs at his one-stop shopping center.
The hour, 7 a.m. For a rural school teacher, it's time to be off. Classes start at 8, and it's a 20-mile drive to her country schoolhouse. This crisp morning couldn't be nicer as she confidently slips into her 61 Chevy Biscayne. Through the quiet streets and into the country. She's proud of her new Biscayne. It's the lowest priced full-size Chevrolet made, and it has all of Chevrolet's traditional quality and roominess. Yes, this new low-priced Biscayne is worth a lot to our school teacher. And when you visit your Chevrolet dealer, you'll find all the new Chevys are worth more. See them soon.
In any town, on any day, there are men making profit with a Chevrolet. Name your job, mister. Your Chevrolet dealer has the truck to handle it profitably. Tough, rugged, heavy-duty Chevys for over-the-road hauling. Independent front suspension moves loads faster. Fast-moving, gas-saving pickups for city delivery or off-the-road duty. Independent front suspension means less tire abuse. New tilt cabs for more cargo space. New Corvair 95 trucks. They're the easiest handling trucks you ever put a hand to. This ramp side can carry a whopping 1,900 pounds, and that side ramp lets you walk it right in. This new Corvan gives you terrific visibility for safer driving, plus 191 cubic feet of cargo space, the lowest side loading height, and higher, wider side doors. Chevy has the truck to handle your job. 165 models for 61, all with independent front suspension. Whatever your job, whatever your cargo, 1961 Chevrolet trucks are worth more to you because they work more for you. See your Chevrolet dealer soon. He's your one-stop shopping center for trucks. Chevrolet trucks with independent front suspension.